I am back with another interesting fufu recipe I know you all are going to love to watch. If you are the type that love to swallow so much, this video is for you. So watch it to the end. On this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made rice and plantain fufu. This is one of the best fufu you may find on the internet. So I have cooked rice, I parboiled the rice because I don't want to spoil my blender. Then I'm just going to peel the green plantain, transfer it into the blender and blend it very smoothly. Please, if your blender is not strong enough, blend it bit by bit, or else the rice is going to spoil your blender. Or cook the rice like I did. I parboil my rice before I start using it. So once I'm done peeling off this plantain, I'm going to chop it into smaller sizes and then put them in the blender together with the rice and blend it smoothly. You know I love to give you guys update of any new recipe I find on the internet. Usually as I'm scrolling my Instagram page, I saw this video and I said I'm going to give it a try. Since I have plantain at home, I have rice at home, I jumped into the kitchen and then I started making it. So once I'm done chopping the plantain, next I transfer it into my blender. And then I'll go in with the rice as well. Then I'm going to be adding water on it. The quantity of water that is needed. Like I said, if your blender is not that strong, blend it bit by bit. As you can see, I'm adding water on it. Next, I'll just cover the blender and then I will blend it very smooth. At this point, you can see that it is very smooth. Next, I'm going to transfer it into the pot. And then I will continue to stir it until I get the texture I want. So on this part, reduce the heat of your stove. You don't need that too much heat. So go on and continue to stir it. We don't want it to get burnt on the bottom. That is why we are stirring it consistently until you get the texture you want from it. So you can see it started transforming into fufu. So the more it gets heated, the more it forms. So I continue to stir it until it is creamy in nature. You can see the fufu is no longer white, but very creamy. So next, I'm going to just add water on it, a little bit of water, cover it to cook for about 5 minutes.
To my kitchen where the magic begins, from sizzling pans to the center.
After 5 minutes, I'm just going to mix it up nicely until I can no longer see the water I added on it. Looking at it now, you can tell that the fufu is ready. So I'm just going to mix it up nicely and then transfer it into my plastic foil. And then that is it. If you're still watching this video to this point, thank you so much for watching this video. And if you're going to be trying this fufu recipe, let me know in the comment section. So I transfer it into the plastic foil and then I'm going to wrap it around, allow it to cool down for about 5 to 10 minutes.
Spices dancing to the rhythm of heat, flavors collide for a miracle treat.
I let it to cool down for about 10 minutes and then now it's time for me to try it because I can't end this video without testing this for you guys. So I took off the plastic foil and then I went in with my delicious afang soup. It was really hot. I couldn't hold the plate anymore. Oh my God. This is one of the best food I love so much. I love to swallow, guys. Just take a look at this food. It really came out nice. Without me testing it, I know it's going to taste amazing. So it is time for me to test it. You can see how stretchy the fufu looked in my hand. And then when I put it on my throat, I was like, this fufu, I'm going to try it over and over again. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. See you all on my next one. Bye.
I'm chopping with a twisted hand. Secret recipes like contraband. Tasting the universe.